Are you looking to master video editing with Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro? These industry-leading tools are perfect for creating professional-level videos, but choosing the right one depends on your setup. Adobe Premiere Pro is a versatile tool available for both Mac and Windows users, while Final Cut Pro is designed exclusively for Mac, delivering seamless performance optimized for Apple's ecosystem. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned editor, we've got you covered. Here are the top YouTube channels that will take your editing skills to the next level. First up is Premiere Gal. This channel is your one-stop shop for all things Adobe Premiere Pro. From beginner tutorials to advanced editing techniques, Premiere Gal breaks down complex concepts into easy, actionable steps. Premiere Gal features a series dedicated to editing on the go with mobile apps like Adobe Rush. The channel regularly showcases collaborations with top video editors, offering diverse perspectives on editing techniques. Check this video by Premiere Gal: 5 editing hacks in Adobe Premiere Pro you need to know. If you're into creative and cinematic edits, Max Novak is the channel for you. He focuses on Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects, teaching you how to create visually stunning effects and transitions. Max Novak shares free downloadable templates and presets to enhance your workflow while breaking down viral music video effects from top artists like Drake and The Weeknd, making his channel a must-watch for cinematic and creative editing enthusiasts. Check this video by Max Novak: Create smooth zoom transitions in Adobe Premiere Pro. Film Editing Pro. Want to edit like a Hollywood professional? Film Editing Pro is all about teaching storytelling through editing. Their tutorials cover advanced techniques for Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro. Film Editing Pro offers in-depth case studies of blockbuster editing techniques and free workshops, ensuring that subscribers can learn Hollywood-level storytelling while honing their skills with hands-on guidance. Check this video by Film Editing Pro: Master the art of seamless storytelling with Final Cut Pro. Loving these recommendations? Don't miss out on more expert tips, tools, and resources to elevate your skills. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video from LearnItVast. For Final Cut Pro enthusiasts, Final Cut King offers top-notch tutorials that range from basic to pro-level techniques. Learn how to edit faster, create stunning transitions, and utilize Final Cut Pro's powerful tools effectively. Final Cut King showcases a dedicated series for creating viral TikTok and Instagram reel effects while sharing exclusive tips on optimizing Final Cut Pro for ultra-fast rendering and export times, making it the ultimate channel for Mac editors. Check this video by Final Cut King: How to create perfect video effects in Final Cut Pro X. These channels are perfect for anyone, whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills as a professional editor. With their expert tutorials, creative insights, and practical tips, you'll be well on your way to mastering Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Remember, your growth starts with taking that first step. Subscribe to LearnItVast for more curated recommendations, tools, and guides to help you unlock your potential and create the future you envision. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.